is for birds singing in the breeze. C is for clouds so fluffy and white. D is for ducks that swim in the light. E is for earth, so big and round. F is for flowers growing from the ground. G is for garden where flowers grow. H is for honeybees buzzing so sweet. Come and sing along with me. Let's explore from A to Z. Look around and tell me too. What's your favorite thing to do? I is for insects crawling so small. J is for jumping in leaves that fall. K is for kangaroo vines so green. L is for ladybugs dancing nearby. M is for moon shining so bright. N is for nest where birds love to call. O is for owl hooting so deep. P is for puddles jump right through. What do you hear? Chirp. What do you see? A butterfly. Sing along and dance with me. Nature's full of A to Z. Q is for quails running so fast. R is for rivers that gently flow. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for trees waving good night. U is for umbrella when raindrops fall. V is for valley so big and wide. W is for wind blowing so free. X is for Xano from sounds in the trees. Y is for yellow sun warming the air. Z is for zebra with stripes to wear. Big Finish singing loud. Now we sang our ABC. Nature's fun for you and me. Next time when we play outside, what new things will we find? A is for apple, red and bright, with big googly eyes, what a funny sight. B is for banana, long and wide, with a wiggly smile and arms so tied. C is for carrot, standing tall, with a crazy mustache, he wobbles and falls. D is for dragon fruit, pink and sweet, with spiky hair and dancing feet. Sing along, come and see, silly fruit and veggies teaching ABCs. Clap your hands, jump with glee, learning letters is fun, you'll see. E is for eggplant, purple and cool, wearing some shades, he's breaking the rules. F is for fig, so tiny and round, rolling and bouncing all over the ground. G is for grape with a giggling face, wiggling, jiggling all over the place. H is for honeydew, round and green, with a sleepy smile, what a dream. Sing along, come and see, silly fruit and veggies teaching ABCs. Point and say the letter loud, make those veggies oh so proud. I is for iceberg, lettuce, crisp and light, bouncing around like a bird in flight. J is for jalapeno, spicy and bold, wearing a hat and striking a pose. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and sweet, doing a twirl on its tiny feet. L is for lemon, yellow and bright, puckering up, what a silly sight. Hey, hey, what comes next? Look at the screen and take a guess. M is for mango, N is for nectarine. Great job, you're learning big. O is for orange, rolling fast, laughing so hard he just might blast. P is for peach, so soft and round, bouncing up high then back to the ground. Q is for quince, yellow and rare, with a fancy hat and curly hair. R is for radish, spicy and bright, dancing around with all his might. Sing along, come and see, silly fruit and veggies teaching ABCs. Wave your hands, dance so free, let's keep learning A to Z. S is for strawberry, tiny and red, spinning around on top of his head. T is for tomato, round and sweet, tapping along to the musical beat. U is for ugly fruit, big and fun, winking and shining like the sun. V is for vanilla bean, long and thin, jumping up high with a silly grin. W is for watermelon, juicy and bright, waving hello with all his might. X is for gyro, that's watermelon too, a name from China, it's fun, who knew? Y is for yam, orange and round, rolling and tumbling all over the ground. Z is for zucchini, long and green, with a happy face on the big screen. X, Y, Z, we did it, hooray! Give yourself a cheer today. Keep on learning, keep on fun, the ABCs for everyone. A is for apple, red and round. B is for butterflies, flying all around. C is for clouds, so fluffy and white. D is for ducks, waddling in sight. E is for earth, beneath our feet. F is for flowers, smelling so sweet. G is for grass, so soft to touch. H is for honeybees, buzzing so much. A, B, C, D, come with me. E, F, G, what do you see? H, I, J, K, look around. L, M, N, hear that sound. I is for insects, tiny and small. J is for jumping frogs, big and tall. K is for kites, soaring up high. L is for leaves, dancing in the sky. M is for mountains, standing so strong. N is for nests, where birds belong. O is for ocean, waves so free. P is for pine trees, tall as can be. A, B, C, D, what do you hear? E, F, G, sounds so clear. H, I, J, K, colors bright. L, M, N, what's in sight? Q is for quail, hiding in the shade. R is for rain, drip, drop, cascade. S is for sunshine, warm and bright. T is for twinkling stars, shining at night. U is for umbrella trees, big and wide. V is for violets, blooming with pride. W is for wind, whistling through. X is for xylophone, birds singing for you. Y is for yellow, daisies,